Hi, today we're going to learn how to sign in and start using Zeyka.ai. It's really simple. All you need to do is enter your registered email address right here. This is the email address you use to sign up on Zeyka, and click the login button below. As soon as I click the login button, Zeyka gives me feedback saying that it's sending an OTP to my registered email address. I go to my Gmail account. I wait a couple of seconds. And there it is. I'm going to copy the OTP, go back to Zeyka, and paste the OTP right here. And I click Enter OTP. And there you go. It's pretty straightforward, right? Every time you want to log into Zeyka, you just enter your email address and it sends you an OTP so you don't have to set and remember a password for yet another application. Next up, we're going to learn how to create a project in Zeyka.